Hello, family. Welcome to Mettu. We have a breaking news in Gambella, Ethiopia. Major power supply disruption hit bedele mettu Gambella region. I just got the news and I feel like I have to share it with you. The Ethiopian Electric Service has announced a significant disruption in the power supply due to the fault in the 2030 kilowatt transmission line that connect Bedele, Metu, and Gambela. The incident occurred 36 kilometers from Bedele, causing widespread outage and affecting thousands of residents and business across these areas. Ethiopian Electric Power team have been dispatched to the fault site and are working uh, to identify the root cause and implement repairs. The restoration timeline remains uncertain, but efforts are underway to minimize the impact on daily activities and essential service in the affected region. Authorities in Ethiopia have emphasized that the importance of caution around the damaged power line, urging residents to stay clear of the area to allow repair teams to work safely and efficiently. Update will be provided as more information become available. Customers are encouraged to stay informed through official Ethiopian Electric Service channel for the latest development. The information that I got, I think this is different from what I read. They say that a couple of thieves managed to cut down one of the electric pole. And as we are speaking right now in Gambella, no electric at all. Gambella is in darkness right now, and all the business are all closed due to the shortage of power. And right now, nobody know when. But this information should reach out to our people so that they have to know what happened to the electric. Gambella do not have its own power station, so the electrics come from bedele through bedele, especially right now what they said. This area where start from bedele and the surrounding towns, all of them are shut down. There's no electric right now, as the government say that the people should wait and should be patient while the engineers are repairing the pole. So this is the information that I have for you. Please try to share it with others. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.